Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an apple pie to celebrate fall. So let's get started. To draw this yummy apple pie, let's first start by drawing the top. So I'm just going to come right here and I'm going to start and go up for a nice full apple pie. And about right here, instead of going round and going back to the other side, I'm going to give it a little bit of a dip right in the center. So about right here, I'm just going to dip in and come right back out and continue all the way across. Oops. To about the same level as the other side, about right there. So nice big full apple pie. Then from there I'm going to come back right here and I'm going to wobble across. So let's go ahead and wobble my way across. And I'll be a little bit lower towards the bottom, so just kind of like at a curve. Then from there I'm going to round this off, the crest. So I'm going to come about right here and round it off, and same thing here, just round it off, and then we're just going to follow the top curve that you've created. And connect. There, so at the top of our apple pie. Then let's draw either the tin or the dish that the apple pie is in. So let's come about right here and we're just going to draw an angle about right there and here as well. So let's can't make it too thick, right? Too tall. So let's say about right there, about the same level, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So round this off and round this off, and let's just go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There, and then we have our nice yummy apple pie. And then let's add some details. So like right here, I'm just going to add kind of like this drop shape right here, water drop shape. So one here at an angle and another one, teardrop shape I mean. And then let's add some steam so we know it's nice and hot. Maybe one that comes right here in the center, and one more. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw some apples. So we make sure that we know this is an apple pie. So let's come to the side right here, and I'll just start about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a stem. There, then I'm going to add a leaf for our apple, and let's come right under here and we're just going to draw a curve. Then let's come back right about here in the stem area, and I'm going to go up, imagining a dip and then coming out. So you're going to make a nice big apple and imagine it coming through about right here. Give it a little dip in the center and then go ahead and connect it back. Now that we're done with one apple, let's add another one right here in the back. So I'm going to change up the angle a little bit, so I'll come about right here and we're going to do the same thing. Just draw a stem and leaf. Give it a little curve right here, and then once again, imagine there's this little dip, so it'll come out about right here. And that is pretty much it for if you want to just draw your basic apple pie. But this is Draw So Cute, right? So let's make it extra cute by giving it some eyes. So if you want to do that, let's come about right here. Since I don't have that much room, I'm just going to give it these really happy eyes. So I'm just going to curve, big curve, and come right across about right here. And do the same thing. And I'm going to flick them up for some lashes. And of course, let's give a big smile. So right here, and then make it very yummy. So I'm just going to add a tongue right here. And cap it off. Yum, right? And then when you're coloring, if you wanted to make it a tin dish, you can just add these darker gray lines. Or if you just want to make it like a kind of like a bowl, just color it in solid. Then for the apples, let's make them extra cute as well. So I'm going to come right here and just give them really cute little dotty eyes. And then a smile, just nice and simple. there. And then maybe one here as well. So over here. And a smile. And that is pretty much it for our apple pie to celebrate fall. I really hope I inspired you to draw this fun and easy and that you loved it. And if you do, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.